iwi, kua kerihimete!
Ko tēnei te pūrākau o kerihimete. Arā, te whānautanga mai o tō tātou ariki o ihu karaiti.
My wonderful friends, our pūrākau begins with Meri and Hōhepa. They were getting married. They were from a small town, like Te Kao. It was called Naharita.
Nā, I tētahi rā.
An angel appeared and said to Meri, she would have a pepe by the power of the Holy Spirit, Te Wairua Tapu, and his name would be Ihu, Jesus. Meri and Hōhepa travelled by foot to Peterahema, Bethlehem, because of a census. When they arrived to find some accommodation,
Aue, kaore he rūma.
Instead, they slept in a stable, and soon after Ihu was born, Meri laid him in a manger to moi. A manger is a feeding trough for kararehe.
Ko tāna he humarie he ngāwari ke.
On the night of his birth, angels appeared to shepherds in the fields, telling them about Te Rongopai, the good news of Ihu, Jesus' birth.
Ka tere te oma a ngā hepara kia kite I te pepi rā.
Meanwhile, wise men travelled from the east. They followed the bright star, which led them to Jesus. Our Te Mīhana Māori also followed the stars like a map. The wise men offered koha to Ihu, such as gold, frankincense, and myrrh.
Hei tohu whakamana.
This is the pūrākau of Christmas, a story about how Jesus brought joy and hope to the world, and he still does today. It reminds us of the qualities of aroha, kindness, and giving.
Meri kerihimete kia koutou.
Karoria ki te atua.
Like smiling, and I want everyone to go jazz hands, and I want everyone to say Meri kerihimete.
Takiti.